Hello, everyone. So we're back again. Hello, hello. And we are live. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening all over the world and where you are tuning from right now. And we are back on live again. So, yes, you might see me live every day. By the way, to those who are first time to see me, my name is Julie Ann, and I'm here in Antioch, California, but originally from the Philippines. And time check muna tayo. Today is 12:29, almost 12:30 na po in the noontime. September 19, 2024, and today is Thursday. Yes, and I'm here on my live again before I go to work. Diba? Kasi kailangan eh. But anyway, you might see me every day. And because we have this 90-day success challenge ongoing right now, and today is our 60th day. And every day we have a specific topic wherein we will share our thoughts, our experiences, our insights, our stories, our thoughts about our topic. And so that anyone can share or resonate from all our sharings for today. And yes, before we will dive into the topic for today, I just want to share a question from you guys na related sa ating topic ngayon. So here we go. I have a riddle here for you guys. I have followers but no feet. I can share but never eat. I thrive on likes and comments too. What am I? Diba? so so anyways, before we'll dive into that, because I'm a 90s kid, lumaki ako growing up on the 90s. So tanong ko sa inyo, ano ang way of communications ninyo noon sa mga ibang tao, or ano yung naiisip niyong way of communication ng mga tao noon on a way na ma-disseminate yung information na gusto nilang i-share. So for me, on my 90s, kasi 90s kid ako, usually, ano ba, newspaper, comics, yan, comics, newspaper, ano pa ba? Aside from the TV, o 'di ba? Kasi wala pang internet noon eh. Ah, telepono, ayan. Ano pa ba? Yan yung mga way of communication nila noon. Mga bulletin boards, ayan. May mga bulletin boards. Kahit na saan ka magpunta, office man yan or kainan, o 'di ba? May mga nakakalat na mga papel, o 'di ba? So noon, it's all papers. But right now, due to a digital age, ayan na, lumabas na yung internet, which is a faster way to disseminate the informations that we want to disseminate. And for today, worst pa noon, alam yung ano noon, yung uso noon, o 'di ba? Para makakalap ng balita, mangapit bahay, tumambay sa kanto, o 'di ba? At makipagtsikahan, which is noon, good thing yun noon. Pero ngayon, naging bad thing na. So there's always a good and bad effects of kind of those makipagkwentuhan sa kapitbahay. So, before I'm gonna start with my topic for today, that is our riddle, and I will read all your questions. I have followers but no feet. Questions or your answers. I mean, I will read your answers later. I have followers but no feet. I can share but never eat. I thrive on likes and comments too. What am I? Oh. So, di ba, madali lang yan, mabilis lang yan na 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 sagot ninyo. But let me just because I have 4 million viewers for today. Thank you so much. Who is early on my live? I just want to make a shout out to Jeez. Hi, Jeez. To Sis Debbie, to Sis Cheryl, and to Sis Oh, Cheryl, oh, di ba? So, yes, as I mentioned a while ago, we always have this topic every day because we have this 90 days success challenge ongoing right now. And today is our 60th day, and we will gonna be talking about social media as your stage to digital business. But let me just give a quick introduction about social media, and that's what I've mentioned a while ago. Na kasi I was born as a 90s kid, and those are the kind of communications that I've encountered before. And then this digital age came, and mas broader ang way of communication, which is mas at saka mas mabilis, 'di ba? For unlike for before na it will take you days, like for newspapers, kung ano ang news yesterday or the other day, ngayon pa lang ipapapublish. Pero ngayon ang bilis na, seconds na lang, lumabas na yung mga balita at ang mga news. And that is the power of the social media. So, when we talk about social media, those are the different platforms like Facebook, nadidinig nyo na yan, very familiar, very, very famous, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, ayan. Ano pa ba? May mga LinkedIn, ayan, yung mga yan. Kaya ang bilis makahanap ng kung may gusto kang gawin mo lang sa social media and yun na. Nagagawa mo na agad-agad. Especially for news, mga pag-apply ng jobs, yan, ang bilis na, 'di ba? Mag-check ka lang, just check it online if it's still available on that day, on that time. Malalaman mo na kung pasok ka sa application mo. Kung hindi, sasabihin doon agad na it's full or they're not accepting already applicants. And for news, ang bilis din. Seconds, ayan na, nandyan na sa social media, makikita mo na agad kung anong nangyari, di ba? And at least makakapag-prepare ka kung anong gagawin mo. Oh, yun yung kagandahan ng social media. But there are disadvantages din, di ba? Kasi syempre, mga iba-ibang tao, and it's for public, for everyone to use. Hindi mo alam kung ano ang intention ng tao. And there are times that they use it for para manggulang ng ibang tao, di ba? To take advantage or to take an opportunity sa ibang tao, which is yun yung mali. And then, yun nga, when you go to enter to social media, you have to be strong. May strong will ka. At saka dapat matatag ang loob mo kasi may mga bashers, mga mga bashers, may mga may mga bashers talaga ang tawag doon. Yung mga naninira ng kapwa na kung saan dapat prepared ang mind mo, prepared ang katawan mo to take all those, 'di ba? Kasi hindi mo talaga ma-control yung mga 'yon. At saka kaya sila nagpo-post ng mga ganon. So, but for us, a form of, especially for me, because I have this digital online business, I usually use it as a stage for my business and to disseminate an information that I have this opportunity waiting for you that that is proven to be a life-changing opportunity na laging yun ang sinasabi nila. And nakikita ko na rin. And it changed my life too when I joined the business. So, ano ba yan? So, bakit ko nga ba nasasabi na nagagamit ko sa business? Aside from letting them know that I have this digital online business, we share our stories through social media. We will tell them that we have this business that made us or change our life. O diba? Tulad ng mga kasama ko dito, they were able to have a more time freedom and more financial freedom through this business. And that's what we are using this social media to inform you guys that we have this kind of business. And aside from that, it is a way of presenting, 'di ba? Presenting or to connect with the people, to connect with our clients, and to connect with our business partners. So that is one of the uses of social media. That's why I'm here in social media, and to attract people to attract people to check on the on our business, 'di ba? Para makita at para malaman nila na yung benefits ng business na 'to, kakaiba at saka talagang, nakakatulong sa lahat. At ang importante pa yung na ito pinapakita namin na talagang totoo kaming tao, that we are not AIs, 'yan. Kasi social media nowadays, they are all using noon 'di ba, yung mga machines lumalabas ngayon napalitan na ng mga robots. Ngayon, to make it more easier and more accessible sa lahat, ayan na, meron na yung mga AIs na puwedeng sila na yung gumawa ng inyong mga commercials, but hindi natin alam kung totoo yun or hindi. But here we are using it to show that we have a legit na business at hindi kami nangi-scam ng tao. That's why we are showing all our faces, our true face. Totoo po yan, kurut-kurutin ka. Yan. Kahit na magganyan-ganyan ako, totoo po yan. Tapos hindi pa po yan naliligo. Ay, joke. So that is what we are using that is why we are using this social media platform, and there are so many ways. Yes, so yun yung mga may mga negatives na gumagawa, or may mga mas ginagamit nila na nagte-take advantage sila through social media just to hack or to scam people. And para maiwasan yun at para ipakita na talagang totoo kami, this is it. We're doing this live and we're going live. 'Di ba? Para ipakita na talagang totoo kami. And that is the reason why we're doing this live every day, and you will see our faces every day. So I think that is the main reason. And 'di ba, ito rin dahil sa social media, ang dami ring kumikita ng limpak-limpak na salapi. They just started as no viewers noon. Dami ko ng mga sa ano, yung mga, lalo na yung mga vloggers. They started small, but when they're doing it in a na may purpose, ang ginagawa nila, this is to inform na yun yung parang lalo na yung mga vloggers, yan yung mga talagang sumikat, na they are just informing, they're just traveling, enjoying life, and then showing to people that may mga magagandang lugar, o di ba? Doon sila lalong kumita. And just like me, I'm using this one also just to show that yes, I have this business, a life-changing opportunity for you to check, and that's what we are using it. And yung true, aside from yung mga, kung mahilig kang mag-post at mag-video at mag-post, 'di ba? Like for Meta users, o 'di ba? Yun yung mga ginagamit nila just to get a monetization. But ayaw nyo ba na ma-monetize, na aside from enjoying what you are doing, you also have this business that works for you in the background? Ayaw nyo ba yun? Na aside from kumikita ka sa Meta, na ma-monetize ka, may isa ka pang business na gumagana sa likod mo using using your platform, at the same time telling that there is a life-changing opportunity. Diba? So yes, we use this social media to entertain, to share information, and to educate people, and to to connect with the people globally. Hindi pa limited ang mga customers mo or ang mga clients mo. It is global. So that is why we are here in social media. But for today, I just want to share this for lalo na sa mga mahilig mag-post, mahilig mag-videos, mahilig manood ng mga social media dyan. I want you use your time, as instead of watching social media or using social media just for fun or entertainment, why won't you use it at the same time to engage in a business that is working for you in the background at the same time promoting it through your social media? 'Di ba? Mahilig ka namang mag-post, mahilig ka namang mag-video, mahilig kang mag-entertain ng tao, then why not use it with a purpose, 'di ba? Not earning just a single centavo from Meta. Why not making it bigger? Aside from earning that cents or certain amount in Meta, why not use it for a bigger amount, right? So that is what I want to share and tell you guys, that there is an opportunity in the social media. Instead of showing up and entertaining people and sharing informations to other people, why not use it also as a venture to be a business owner and a mentor using the social medias, right? So that is what I want to share and to leave with you guys to think about it. If what is this business that I'm talking about? Um, if you want to know what kind of business is this, then just check on my website www.josonkit.com. And before that, I will go further. I will just read all the comments of my viewers for today and business partners. Wow, Jeans. Hi. Hello, hello, girl. Humabol. Diba? Social media influencer. Haha. This is about our riddle. So, Facebook. LOL. Ano bang sagot mo doon, girl? Dalawa. Aloha. Hi, Sis Debbie. Thank you for coming into my live. Sis Cheryl, hello. Ang sagot ni Sis Cheryl is FB, IG, or any social media platforms. Aba? And sabi ni Sis Cheryl, good job Sis Gina, free na rin accommodation mo sa Chula Vista. Mga loko to mga to. Facebook, IG. Oh, this is Debbie. Bashers, scammers, etc. Yes, I know. They use it as a parang masama, 'di ba? Yun yung mga bitters sa buhay na hindi nila, or inggit ba, or jealousy, or envious, or I don't know what they call them, but yun yung mga negative mindset. And we should always have a positive mindset. Just wanna share an example na there is a one media influencer in our place from the Philippines that I listen to him also. Because he shares a lot about health, about being healthy, and he's sharing about his yung mga natutunan niya at saka yung mga alam niya about sa pag-aalaga sa sarili, but not knowing that he had a lot of bashers, and he focused more on that one, and that gave him stress a lot. And that's why be prepared when you go to when you go into social media. You should be prepared to choose those who are positive. Don't let those negativities sink in you, because if you let those negativities sink in you, then those comes in those stress, those depression and everything. And we always use the social media just to have more positive life in everyone, and share the happiness to everyone. So so aba, si Sis Jeans, LOL. Oo nga, maloko tong mga to. So our riddle is that I have followers but no feet. I can share but never eat. I thrive on likes and comments too. What am I? So the correct answer is the social media. That's why we are on social media today. so Nakakatuwa 'tong mga aking mga business partners at tsaka and to those who are watching, if you want more fun and less stress, more joy or more happiness, join us on our business because it is really a life-changing opportunity and it really changes your mindset. Yung mindset talaga, it will really really teach you kasi sa isang business you can start whatever business you like but if you started it without the proper mindset, pag hindi ka tinuruan ng maayos kung papaano ang mindset, doon ka madaling doon ka madaling mag-give up and you will quit right away kapag may na ano ka lang na konti. And the good thing about our business is yung mindset talaga. Talagang piniprepare ka nung mindset and our training site will always teach that yung mindset and then they will recommend informations and there's a exercises too that they will recommend to you that you if you want to do, preparing your mindset, your body, and reading books, what kind of books you can read about just to prepare your mindset. Recommend talaga ng aming training site. And the good thing is the community is really you have a support, you have a supportive community kasi kailangan mo naman ng support, especially having a business. Kasi if you don't have a support from your family or friends, you should have a support from a community or a same business like you. And the good thing is, in this business, yung community talaga, it's very supportive. And talagang tuturuan ka nila kung papaano ka to get on your feet. Kung bumigay ka, you will just approach them. They will teach you how to go back on your feet again and to stand again. Yun yung nakakatuwa. So kaya yung mga mistakes, hindi yan failures sa amin. It's a preparation or it's a pathway to our success. So kaya pag may nag-fail sa amin, it's okay. Someone will help you someone will grab your hand and help you stand up. That's the good thing about it, and that's the beauty of our having this digital business. So yes, social media, your stage two, what is this, to DGBs, to digital business. So because it's having a digital online business is very easy at saka pinakamadali sa panahon ngayon, pinakamadaling ma-achieve, maabot ang iyong pangarap. Kasi kasi with the use of social media, you will disseminate the information as fast as possible, o di ba? Yun yung pinakamaganda at saka ang bilis mong makabenta. Hindi naman makabenta, maka-connect sa mga clients, sa mga prospects mo at saka sa mga leads mo, di ba? So, ito na. So, binibenta ko pang aking iPhone, 250 lang po, pamain lang. Pamain lang po. 250, pamain. If you want it, iPhone 15. Go, ganun. Joke lang. Kunwari lang yun. Kung gusto niyo ba yung ganon, o di ba mas madali yung sa amin kasi you will just enter your name and your email and you will see the business right away. So if you're interested to see our business, just check on my website www.josankit.com and yung pangalan nyo lang, kahit na yung palayaw nyo lang, just we want your email just to send you the information where you can watch the free info session and sa ano na yon, sa free webinar na yon, makikita nyo na kung ano yung ginagawa namin. And there's a step 2. Yung step 2, doon nyo na makikita ang lahat nakalatag na doon, black and white. And you will by that time you can say that if this is for you or not. Huwag kayong matakot kung kasi there's no commitment in here. That's what we are telling, that there's no commitment in here. You can always check and learn what digital business is. So may natutunan na kayo kung ano ba ang digital online business at saka bakit ba tinatawag na my business is working in the background. And nakikita niyo yung opportunity, 'di ba? Kung ayaw nyo, it's okay. At least you've learned something about digital online business. Diba? And at least we have shared a life-changing opportunity for you. And if you know someone who really needs it or who might need it, then you can share it. At least nakatulong pa kayo sa iba, di ba? So yun yung kagandahan. And if you're curious, let that curiosity sink in. Wala namang mawawala eh. At saka wala namang commitment. Kaya okay lang na ma-curious kayo at tingnan yan. Even if you're not, you're telling yourself you're not a business-minded person, you never know, because me too. I'm not a business-minded person in the first place, and it's because of curiosity. I want to learn more and see more. That's what happened, and I was able to see that, oh, this is for me, and and I think that I like it, or I think this is a good opportunity to start a new venture, di ba? So, yun yung kagandahan. At saka, oh, ito. iPhone stand. Gusto niyo ba ng iPhone stand? Oh, $10. Pamine lang po. Ayoko naman ng ganun. So, I'm just sharing that our business is as easy as that. Step 1, 2, and 3. Step 1, your email. Step 2, to check the business. Step 3, it's up to you. If you, anong ginawa ko doon? Wala. Nag-offer lang ako ng opportunity. O, di ba? So, sabi ni Sis Junes, tawa na tawa. O, pamain. Ano yung pamain, sis? Yung ano? Yung wala bang iPhone 16? Ay, wala. 15 lang ang meron. O, black. O, di ba? May clover pa sa likod. If you want a lucky clover, I have it on the back of my phone. So, pamain. Just to make everyone laugh and smile, because may isang pasyente na nilapitan ko nung before ako nag-off. Sabi niya, you make the room shine, sabi niya. You always smile a lot. And I told her, yeah, because I just want to lighten your burden, at least to smile, because I know that you're in the hospital. O, di ba? So just smile. And she's very happy. Mine pink, aba. Sige na nga. Pag magkikita kayo, may mga mine kayo. But anyway, that's the one that I want to share for today. So yes, just check on my website, www.josankit.com. Business, and I'm a business owner and a mentor where we help individuals to jumpstart their online business. And if you're curious, just go and check it. Don't hesitate. Let that curiosity sink in. Wala namang mawawala, and we are not hindi namin kayo pinapahamak or anuman. Walang mawawala talaga sa inyo. Just check in. There's no hurt feelings. There's no walang mawawala talaga sa inyo. Just go on. Wala bang TV stand? Ay, ang laki naman na nabibit-bitin ko na dito, sis. So yun. And tomorrow, I'll see you again tomorrow for another new day. And hi, sis. Hi, tita dear. Oh, you're watching. Thank you for watching. Sayang hindi mo nakita ang aking topic for today. It's we talked about social media. O, pamain na lang itong cellphone, iPhone 15 with the clover at the back. 250 lang. Ganun. So it's just an example. That is just an example of what they do on social media. O, di ba? Buti pa yung mga yon. They are doing their businesses online while they are Meta or the Facebook is monetizing them. But I'm sharing this, guys, with you that I know there's a lot of people there who loves to entertain people, making videos, just sharing reels, stories. Why won't you do it as your venture, or as a new venture, or as a new business that works for you also in the background while doing it, right? O, di ba? Dalawa pa kayong namamonetize from your business and from your social media account. So, 'di ba nakakatuwa yung gano'n? Oh, 'di ba nag-mine din si tita, si Auntie Uwit. "Oh, check mo yung aking website, Auntie." So 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 that is what I just want to share with you guys, that there is a better way or mas magandang paraan to earn more money sa social media, aside from your social media account that you're earning from. There's other way behind it na mas malaki pa. So, yes, and that is why I'm here in social media right now. O, di ba? May natatanggap actually kami. Especially Sis Gina, I know that she's getting something from her Facebook account, from Meta, o di ba? Because for me, I'm getting something, pero sense lang yun, konti lang yun. But I'm doing it with my business at the same time, which is my business is working on the background, which is more bigger, di ba? So more opportunity. Oh, and more kaching-kaching. 'Di ba? So, ayaw nyo ba yun na na tingnan? O, 'di ba? So, that's the one that I'm sharing. And thank you so much, guys, for watching. At saka, we're gonna see you again tomorrow for our 61 day of our 90-day success challenge. And I'm congratulating my business partners who have already reached these milestones, especially Sis Shay. 2 weeks na lang sa kanya, tapos na siya, magagraduate na siya. But this is just the beginning of everything, because this one will continue. Because this 90 days success challenge is just, we have different reasons. And for me, I only have 3 reasons for that. It is for personal growth, professional growth, and to form a new habit. At saka, ulitin ko ulit yung sabi ni Sis Saucon na before daw siya nagsimula din ng Go Live Challenge, it's takot na mag-live. Tapos nababawasan na yung takot na yun, nagiging takot na mag-live. Tsaka ngayon, takot na mag-live. Siguro pagkatapos ng 90 Days Success Challenge is live na ng live. Nasabi ni JK is buhay na buhay. O, di ba? So, yes, I'm gonna see you again tomorrow, guys. And thank you so much for coming in and checking my live for today. And I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. And wish me luck. I'm going for my work for today. And nakakatawa kahapon kasi i-share ko na nga kasi I went to my triage class. Siguro Science of Aging na din, or talagang nagmamadali dahil nag-e-enjoy na ako sa aking business. And there are a lot of resources, a lot of ways. It's an open book actually. At dahil na-excite ako sa aking go live at sa aking business, to do my business, I did not pay attention. I did not read everything. I just click, submit, fail. Doon ako natawa, but it's a learning lesson. I'm not sad, or I'm not hindi ako nalungkot, or hindi ako nabwisit or naasar. Pero I was happy and laughing at myself because, I'm concentrated on something and I know that I'm loving this business already. So, yun na, parang yung aking full-time job is easy-peasy na. I don't put on a stress a lot on my full-time job because I know that I have a fallback. Pero tama ba yun? I don't know. Oh my gosh. So, thank you so much, guys. And I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. Oo nga, sa pagla-live. Diyos ko. Ito, last, I just want to acknowledge all the people who's on my live right now. Pamain din si Auntie Rose. So, sige. Done na ba? Sige nga, check ko nga ang aking kung na-enter mo, hindi mo na yata na-enter. Bahala ka. Biten, you have to proceed to step 2 kasi to see it, not just like the overview. Go ahead. And, si Jeans wala ng takot na na malugi. Yun nga, eh, oh my gosh. I'm more confident right now that, yes, I care about my job. I love my job, but, hindi na ako gano'n na tulad ng dati na I will put on, so much stress on my full-time job. I just go there and have fun, and then go home and do my my happiness, which is my business, and then go on my job again to have fun. Parang baliktad na ngayon. It's just like the other way around, but I'm having fun on both na. O, di ba? So that's what I've learned in this when I engage into this business, to learn how to enjoy on both. O, di ba? So see you tonight, girl. Yes, sis. See you tonight. And thank you so much and have a blessed everyone. Kaya to those who are watching me right now, sana wag lang sana all, dapat tara all. Kasi I know everyone can do all this business, and I know this is an opportunity to everyone. Even if you're not a business-minded person, nasabi ko nga, everyone can do it. It's an easy peasy because of the training site. And if you don't have a training site, we are all here as your mentors and the coaches. So, wag lang sana all, 'pag nakikita niyo na naggo-go live ako dito, wag lang sana all. Wag lang sana all makapal ang mukha. No, dapat tara all. Kasi we all know that you can make it too. Ako nga na kaya ko na, kayo pa kaya. So, I have faith on you guys that you can do it. And to all my business partners, just keep on going, continue on doing what you do, and and get better every day, right? So I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Naku, bye-bye. See you tomorrow. Sorry. Excuse me.